Welcome to Metro Labs, School Lab Furniture. Thank you for your support and for watching our previous videos. Today we are presenting a comprehensive guide to setting up a CBSE-compliant computer science laboratory, step-by-step process for CBSE schools. A computer laboratory is more than just a hub of knowledge, it nurtures curiosity, inspires innovation, and fosters a passion for technology, science, and research. Implementing computer science education pedagogy aligned with the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020 guidelines. Paragraph 4.41 of the NEP 2020 emphasizes interactive teaching and learning, highlighting the vital role of technological tools in enhancing the educational experience. Subjects such as artificial intelligence, digital citizenship, data science, computer science, and information practices are incorporated throughout the CBSE curriculum, which involves a lot of hands-on and online exploration. A key component of essential school infrastructure. Physical infrastructure. It should be minimum lab room size 600 square feet. For schools with up to 800 students, at least one computer science lab is required. An additional lab should be provided for every additional 800 students. CBSE Guidelines for Computer Science Laboratory Conduct. Ensure proper cyber safety measures are in place in the computer lab. Students must enter the lab only under teacher supervision. Use CD-ROMs, the internet, and multimedia tools strictly for academic purposes. Always remember to log off at the end of each session. Conduct antivirus scanning every week to maintain system security. Smart usage rules for the computer lab, do's and don'ts. Ensure all software follows proper license compliance policies. Connect all computers to a centralized data center or server. Conduct annual stock verification by the lab attendant. Hardware engineers must regularly check and update all machines. Schedule regular computer lab sessions for students, with timetables managed by subject in charges and lab assistants. Don't save unnecessary files or downloads on the desktop or local drives. Don't browse the internet or check emails without teacher permission. Don't change computer settings or touch cables. No food or drinks near computers. Don't switch off computers directly. Follow proper shutdown steps. Don't share your passwords. Don't leave personal files on lab computers. Metrolab suggests integrating these essential components for an optimal and well-equipped computer science laboratory. Premium Computer Lab. High-quality materials. Durable galvanized iron sheets with epoxy powder coating ensure strength and longevity. Premium worktops. 18 mm thick black granite worktops provide a sturdy, long-lasting surface ideal for computer lab environments. Tailor-made computer lab solutions by Metrolabs. At Metrolabs, we offer fully customizable materials and designs to match your specific requirements. Flexible material and design options tailored for you. Material and design customization available to suit school-specific requirements. Tailored materials and designs based on customer preferences. Design and material flexibility to align with unique project needs. Ergonomic system tables and workstations for school labs. Our computer tables are finished with durable, scratch-resistant materials that can withstand heavy use. Our table include a safe and reliable 6x16 amps power provision and smart wire management with covered circular holes. CPU trolley with lockable wheels. Our mobile CPU trolley ensures better organization with easy accessibility, enhanced ventilation, mobility and flexibility, space-saving design, dust and damage protection. Keyboard tray. We design ergonomic posture keyboard trays to reduce strain and enhance productivity during long coding sessions. Lab stool. Metrolabs offers a range of comfortable, ensuring proper posture and support for students of all sizes. Headphone hangers. Keep your lab tidy and organized with convenient headphone hangers at each workstation. Best furniture for school computer labs. Advantages of GI Steel construction. Comparison and benefits section. Let's compare wood furniture versus GI Steel furniture to help you make a best decision. Durability. Wood furniture, prone to termite damage, warping, and wear over time. In contrast, GI Steel furniture, highly durable, corrosion resistant, and long-lasting. Maintenance. Wood furniture needs regular polishing and protection from moisture, whereas GI Steel furniture low maintenance with powder-coated surfaces for added protection. Strength. Wood furniture limited load capacity, may weaken over time, but GI Steel furniture high load-bearing capacity, ideal for computer equipment. Customizability. Wood furniture limited to traditional designs, whereas easily customizable for modular lab layouts. Cost over time. Wood furniture lower initial cost but higher maintenance and replacement expenses, but GI Steel furniture but slightly higher initial cost but long-term savings due to durability. Finally, and most importantly, fire safety. Wood furniture can be a fire hazard, especially in schools where there may be open flames, sparks, or electrical malfunctions, but in GI Steel furniture does not catch fire, making it the safer choice in environments where fire hazards exist. Cutting-edge school computer lab with steel tables, GI, with computers neatly arranged. Students using the computers, sitting comfortably at workstations. Circular wire management holes visible on the tables, showing clean cable routing. A side view of the table showing sturdy metal legs and storage compartments. Use blue, gray, and green to show a clean, modern, and eco-friendly environment. This lab design will prioritize durable, safe, hygienic, cost-effective, eco-friendly. Time to prioritize safety in school labs. Do you remember the devastating Kumbakonam fire tragedy? It stands as a heartbreaking reminder of the dangers posed by combustible materials in schools. For more details about this incident, visit our website, link available in the description. Safety in school labs should never be an afterthought. Steel lab furniture is the smarter choice, offering superior durability, fire safety, hygiene, cost-effectiveness, and environmental benefits over wood. Schools must act now to prevent future tragedies. Prioritizing fire-resistant lab furniture isn't just about longevity, it's about protecting lives. Choose safety, choose durability, choose Metro Labs. Our comprehensive services. We provide complete school computer science lab furniture solutions, from design to installation, for optimal learning spaces, custom lab design, precision manufacturing, reliable supply and expert installation. Get a free custom design and quote tailored to your lab needs. Click the link in the description and share your lab details to get started. You can also send us a message on WhatsApp or SMS to 7010075103. Receive the link for your custom lab drawing and quote. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more insights into creating exceptional learning environments. Check out our previous video, link in description. Join us for our upcoming video, where we will explore mathematics laboratory setup. Stay tuned.